Almost 90% of our healing is done in our sleep. How can we achieve the deepest sleep with 432 Hertz? Hello everyone, I am Michael and I help guide people on their evolutionary journey. We must protect our sleep, light warriors. We do most of our healing while we sleep, and many people around the world do not achieve the deepest sleep. How many of you struggle with sleep, waking up in the middle of the night many times, tossing and turning, or waking up after an entire night's sleep and still feeling fatigued? Years ago, I suffered from fatigue, but as I expanded consciousness and applied frequencies to my everyday life, I achieved the deepest sleep. Applying 432 Hertz while you sleep can help you achieve the deepest sleep. And while you sleep deeply, you can heal the body more efficiently. So sleep is very important for our journey, as we do all of our healing, almost all of our healing, while we sleep. So if our sleep is under attack, our well-being, everything declines, physical and mental health. Our physical and mental health is regenerated while we sleep. So sometimes we're not achieving the deepest sleep even though we are sleeping, and we could wake up still feeling fatigued. Do you wake up in the morning after a full night's sleep and still feel fatigued? I used to experience this, but not anymore. So sometimes frequencies that are applied to your vibration while you sleep can help you achieve a deeper sleep and help you to restore the body. Heal thyself, regeneration. 432 Hertz is the frequency of nature, the natural frequency of the universe. The universe is frequency, is 432 Hertz. Everything is frequency and vibration, and that is the homeostasis of your body. So if you could sleep with 432 Hertz on, it could help you achieve a deeper sleep. And that is when we do most of our healing for both our physical body and for our mental health. So exterior vibrations and frequencies can disrupt your sleep. But if you immerse yourself in the 432 Hertz frequency, you can achieve a deeper night's sleep. And our healing and regeneration must be protected. So we always want to heal the body. 432 Hertz. If we can't get out in nature, we could apply this frequency while we sleep at night and sleep deeper and help to regenerate the body naturally. So if this message resonates with you, look into the 432 Hertz frequency, because everyone is entitled to a good night's sleep. Think about waking up feeling refreshed every day. So if you suffer from fatigue, 432 Hertz can help improve your everyday life experience. Remember, we cannot control what is around us. However, we can control from within. Be conscious of the 432 Hertz frequency to raise your vibration and increase your electromagnetism. Life is so much better when we are all together. If you find this message inspiring or know someone that could benefit from it, please share this message. I am Michael. Find us in the 5th dimension. Have a wonderful day living your everyday life. We are out here to defend our everyday life experience. So if you have questions about your sleep and improving your sleep, apply 432 Hertz. Research 432 Hertz. And remember, question everything. Because questioning everything is your birthright. Victory of the light. Beautiful bird.